In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete contact in Constant Contact. Deleting contacts is a quick way to clean up your list when you know certain entries are no longer needed. Before you delete anything, take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct account and that you are viewing the right set of contacts. Once a contact is deleted, it is removed from your contacts list, so it is worth double-checking your selection. Start by going to the main navigation in Constant Contact and clicking Contacts. This opens your Contacts area, where you can view, search, and manage the people in your account. If your list is long, it can help to scroll carefully and pause on the names you intend to remove, so you do not accidentally select the wrong entries. Next, select the contacts you want to delete by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. You can choose individual contacts one by one, which is best when you are removing just a few. If you need to delete a large batch, you can use the top checkbox to select all. Use this option carefully, especially if you have filters or segments applied, because Select All will choose everything currently shown in your view. If you meant to delete only a specific group, make sure you are not selecting more than intended. Once your contacts are selected, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions, then choose Delete. Constant Contact will prompt you to confirm, which is an important safeguard. Take a brief moment here to verify that the selection matches exactly what you want to remove. If anything looks off, cancel out and adjust your checkboxes before proceeding. When you are ready, click Delete again to confirm. After confirmation, Constant Contact will remove those contacts from your list. Give the page a second to update, and then scan your contacts list to make sure the entries are gone. That covers everything you need to know.